Not much compression. I normally can't do that by hand. Hey, it's Kelly from MXHideout. I was just starting to diagnose why this has low compression, this 08 CRF450R, and I think I figured out what caused it. Come here. So all I did was pull the seat off, and would you look at that, a caked air filter. No, they don't come brown like that from the factory. They're supposed to be yellow or green, whatever foam color it is, plus the oil on it. Now I want to tell you why I think this is probably the #1 killer of valves on 4-strokes and why so many people are afraid to get a 4-stroke. Because if the valves get worn out, they're really expensive to replace, especially if headwork needs to be done, like redoing the seats. You gotta take it to a machine shop. It goes from maybe a couple $100 to $600 or $800, and especially these older Hondas, maybe not the 08, but like the first few years of these, they tend to eat valves a lot quicker. But that didn't happen for everyone, and I think that's because people were not doing the regular air filter maintenance. The air filter is so critical because that's the only thing preventing everything getting into the engine. Obviously, you need air to get into the car through the engine to make power. That air-fuel mixture is super important. But if you have dirt, mud, debris, sand, whatever it is being sucked in, that is what creates more friction on the valves. Every time the valve goes down, dirt goes in, it stays on the valve or the seat, and bam, it hits that seat. That creates more friction, more wear and tear, and it just eats away at the valves in a matter of hours. So when the air filter gets this full and caked of dirt, debris, not only is there less air getting in, so it's probably going to run richer and run worse. It's going to sputter. It's not going to have as much power, but it's going to be sucking in more dirt because all the oil that's on the air filter that is there to stop the dirt. So the oil is on the foam filter to catch the dirt like little sticky hands as it goes by, so it doesn't go into the engine. But when all of that oil is used up, meaning it's full of dirt, dirt's just gonna float right past it, sucked in through the carb and the engine, and that is when it wears out so much faster. So when you see your air filter full of dirt, you need to replace it or take it out, clean it, put some new oil on it, as long as it's not falling apart. This is such a simple maintenance item, but it's very easy to be lazy about or forget, because I've gone too many hours and found, oh shoot, pulled the seat off, yep, the air filter is dirty. Now, I don't let it get this bad, but I'm guessing this had a huge contributing factor to why this has low compression, which I'll find out in one of my longer troubleshooting videos. But I just want to share this with you. If you want your 4-stroke to last longer, the air filter is one of the #1 things that's going to make the difference, whether it lasts for 10 or 20 hours or 200 or 300 hours. Obviously, it depends on how you ride, but if you don't change the air filter often enough, you might need to rebuild your engine twice as often, if not more. This is from my experience from owning and riding dirt bikes for 25 plus years. Are you afraid of getting a dirt bike because of the valves that can go bad so quickly that you hear about all the time? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to know 3 mistakes that kill the reliability of your engine, whether it's 2-stroke or 4-stroke, you should check out these videos here. I'm Kelly Fagan from MXHideout. Ride safe, have fun.